Cervical issues are the number one health-related problem these days. Owing to long sitting hours in front of a laptop or a desktop, looking at a mobile phone, injuries can lead to degeneration or painful neck issues. It is important that we mobilize, stretch and strengthen the neck muscle in order to avoid and make it better. Before we move on to the sequence, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel for more such contents. So let's get on to the sequence.
First, we will do some neck movements. Moving the neck up and down. If you find it challenging to push the neck down, you can keep it neutral when you bring the neck down. Breathe in, look up, exhale, down. Chin to the chest. Breathe in up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, down. Continue. And come back to the center, relax. Now, let's move the neck left and right. Look to the right. Center, look to the left. As you inhale, come to the center, exhale, go to the side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's do it dynamically this time. And gently come back to the center. Now, let's drop our head to the right shoulder. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on the left side. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, drop your head to the left. Feel the stretch on the right. Center to the right. Center to the left. Center, right. Center, left. And gently come back to the center. Relax. Now let's do some isometric stretch for the neck. Place the right hand over the right side of your head and push the hand towards the left side and your head to the right side. Hold it for 5 seconds. Before we do that, ensure that the chin is pushed towards the back. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now let's do this resistance on the opposite side. Left hand on this head. The head pushed opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Now, rather than pushing, we are going to pull the head. So catch your left side of the head with the right hand and push it to the right side. And with the head, you try to resist this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Now, pull the head towards the left side and resist the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Let go. Interlace the fingers. Place it over the forehead. Tuck your chin inwards and gently hold this position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Once again, interlace your fingers. Place it behind the head and this time push the head back and the hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Let go. Now let's do some movement for the auxiliary muscles of the shoulder connected to the neck. Gently lift the shoulders up towards the nose, towards the ears. Pull it up, exhale gently, bring it down. Once again, lift your shoulders up all the way towards the ceiling, towards the ears, as close as possible. Bring them back and gently bring it down. Once again, lift it up and down. Now let's do it dynamically. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So while you're pushing it, bringing it down, make an effort to push the shoulder down as well. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And relax, let go. Now let's do some shoulder movements. Bend your elbows, place the hands over the shoulders, bring your elbows close to the face, close to each other. Breathe in, lift your shoulders up, exhale, bring it down, making big circles with your elbows. Inhale up, exhale down. Do it 5-6 times. 4, 5, 6. Reverse the direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Now, take your hands on the sides of the body, in line with the shoulders. Pull the fingers of your hands towards the body, fingers widespread. Stay there. Push the palms away from the body and the fingers towards the body. Hold this position, make sure the elbow is straight. And gently start rotating the hands, just like Tata Bye-Bye, right from the shoulder. Keep your neck neutral, the chin pulled towards the head. And let go, relax. Now, let's do it for the elbows. Bring your hands close to the shoulder and exhale, throw your hand forward. And relax. Hands in front of the body, fingers open. Pull the fingers towards the body. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Make a gentle fist of your hand and start rotating the fist. About 10-12 times in one direction. And then reverse the direction. And shake your hands, relax, relax. Now, let's do some very simple asanas for the mobilization and stretching of the neck joint. Let's begin by taking position for the cat stretch, the Marjari asana. Put the hands below the shoulders, your knees directly under the hips. As you breathe in, you lift your chin and chest forward, pull the navel down, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest, raise your back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Let's do it dynamically a few times. And gently coming back to the neutral position. Exhale, you go down into Shishupasana, resting your head on the floor. If it's difficult for you to rest the head on the floor, make a fist of your hand and place the head over the fist. Stay there, keep breathing. Gently place your hands beside your knees and you may gently sit up. Now let's do Vakrasana, the simple spinal twist. Legs in front of the body. In Dandasana, sit comfortably on the sitting bones. Take your right hand behind your back, the left hand on the right knee. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist your neck towards the right side and twist your body to the right. Do it as much as possible. Stay there, keep breathing. Come back to the center. Exhale, the opposite side. Keep breathing. and come back to the center. Gently, from the side of the body, you go and lie down on the abdomen. Now, let's do Bhujangasana. Hands under your shoulders, elbows close to the body. As you breathe in, you lift your chin and chest off the floor and push your hands onto the floor. Make sure the elbows are straight. Make sure the elbow is bent. Push the shoulders away from the body. Stay there. Look up as much as possible. Listen to your own body. Keep breathing. Ensure that your pelvic bone is resting on the floor. And gently exhale. Come down. Let's turn over onto the back. Gently place your hands under your buttocks with the palms facing the floor. Elbows close to each other as much as possible. Now, as you breathe in, push your elbows onto the floor and lift your chest up and head up. Exhale, drop your head in the Matsyasana. Stay there, keep breathing. Gently breathe in, push the elbows onto the floor, lift your body up, exhale gently, bring the body down. Increase the distance between your feet to about 1.5 to 2 feet, arms by the sides of the body. Relax in Shavasana. If you wish, you can continue resting for a little while and follow it with the meditation by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar by clicking on the link given in the description.